Hello guys, welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you a way to make $500 very easily within seconds by using this free website. So right now, if you're interested in gaining $500 for free, please watch this video to the end and don't skip any parts. So right now, we're going to click on Earn Cash Now. Once I click on Earn Cash Now, you're going to see so many offers we have right here. But I know the one in this website is only for USA residents, people that live in the USA. It isn't available to any other country. So if you're not living in the USA, you won't be able to use this website to make money. Wait for some time. Okay. You have to wait for some time. Okay. As you can see, just so many offers right here. You're gonna click on get $500. There was a mistake, so I'm gonna show you guys all over again. There was a mistake. Okay, let's try to sign up. So once you click on sign up, you're gonna enter your email. You're gonna fill in your email, put in your email, okay, and the password. Once you've done that, you click on sign up, then go to offers. In this offers, you're gonna see so many ways of making money on this site. You could do surveys, answer questions, so many tasks. There's so many tasks available here. It only takes less than a minute to do those tasks. You can earn, you can grow, and you can also save money on this website. So what you just have to do is wait for this to load. Once it loads, I'm gonna put you guys through. Okay. Just gotta wait for a little while. Let's not forget the link to this website will be in the description. If you are interested in checking it out, go to the link in the description and check out the website. So right now, as you can see, the website has loaded already. So we're gonna just wait for a little while for it to, for the whole apps, the whole first to load, and you'll see how the website really works. There's supposed to be so many offers down here. I don't know the reason why it's not showing the offers. It's supposed to show some offers. Maybe the website is down. But in case it's working on your own, there's so many offers available. You could try Dave. There's so many offers. As you can see, they're $500. I'm going to refresh the website. Maybe it's gonna bring the offers. The website must be down because you're supposed to see so many offers. There's so many offers on this app, on this website. Like Estash, Acorns, Alberts, Rocket Money, Survey Junkie, Kickoff, Flux, and Storyfy, and so many. There's so many tasks and offers available. You can earn up to $500 for an offer or a task. It's pretty easy to make money on this website. All you just have to do is watch this video to the end and you'll be able to learn what I'm talking about. You can earn over $500 every day with this website. So right now it's loaded. So as you can see, kaboom! As you can see, says featured offer $500. Dave access money. Get up to $500 in advances with zero interest and credit checks. As you can see, check out this offer. In order to get started, you must download the Dave app, sign up for Dave, set up direct deposits, you request a cash advancement. In order to qualify, you must be 18 plus, you must be a US citizen, you must meet Dave's qualification, and so on. Okay, so let's view all offers. Okay, start investing with $5. Click on details. As you can see, this is also available. You could also earn money with Stash and Rocket Money, Survey Junkie, make money by taking surveys. As you can see, earn cash by filling out surveys with Survey Junkie. Survey Junkie is an easy and free blah 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 blah. Signing up is easy. You can cash out starting at $5. You can get gift cards from places like Amazon, Target, Starbucks, PayPal, etc. Okay, let's see the remaining ones. Okay, Kickoff, Flux, and Certify. There's so many ways of earning money. Kickoff, Rocket Money. Okay, Rocket Money. Okay, Rocket Money. Okay, so as you can see, so once you don't forget to sign up. The link will be in the description. The link to the website will be in the description. So don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and comment. Thanks for watching. I love you guys. Peace out.